Thank you, Naveed, and thank you to each and every one of you who joined us this afternoon. I hope that you're doing well and you are safe. And I want to again welcome you to today's workshop sponsored by the city's Contractor Development and Bonding Program that will help address navigating city contracting opportunities. I'm so proud to report that our city program has expanded, as you've heard, to Metro and most recently to the County of LA. Here in Council District 15, as you may know, our district is a vibrant economic force in the Los Angeles region. One of the drivers of our local economy is our small and diverse businesses. Our office regularly conducts outreach to the business community to continue to spur the economy. And in our continuing effort, I hope and want to introduce you to learn about this innovative city program, which is our ultimate goal, and the city program that's designed to help small and diverse businesses grow and thrive. As mentioned, I represent the Port of Los Angeles, which is the heart of our council district and is the busiest seaport in the Western Hemisphere. Also pleased to report that right now in Council District 15 alone, over $240 million worth of contracts for capital improvements are underway. This amount doesn't include the billions of dollars scheduled for construction at the city's proprietary departments, which you'll hear soon from Department of Water and Power, Department of World Airports, and the Port of LA. The opportunity for contractors to bid on and secure city projects is now. So we're definitely in the midst, as you are seeing in all corners of the city, of a construction boom. Just if you haven't flown in and out of the LAX, you can see that today. Over $14 billion of investment, infrastructure investment taking place as we speak. And here in our waterfront, you're seeing the waterfront improvements on the Wilmington and San Pedro water lines. Really excited about those construction projects taking place. The Contractor Development and Bonding Program serves in concert with the city's overarching objective of increased inclusion and opportunity for small and diverse contractors in competing for city public construction contracts. Specific services include bond underwriting and bond capacity, which are complemented by education, training, and contractor support. This program provides free consulting services to assess your needs, build contracting capacity, increase business development, and help with business expansion. This program also has expanded to provide financial assistance opportunities as well. So today you'll learn firsthand how to do business with the city and compete for public construction opportunities. So just be sure to access these opportunities. I wish you all well, and thank you so much for having me, and just sit back and learn, take some great notes. And our ultimate goal is to make sure your business grows, and we're happy to help you in that process. So
my name's Ernie Moreno. I'm the owner of Marn Construction. We specialize in concrete, anywhere from decorative concrete, sidewalk, curbs, gutters, basically anything concrete that's flat work. I've been the owner for about 3 years now. So when I became the owner, maybe about a year afterwards, we heard about a project with LAWA for LAX People Mover project. Because I was the new owner, we didn't have that trust with the bonding agencies or with the banks to be able to get the bonding for the size that this project required. Our bonding agent at the time referred us to you guys and put me in touch with Rosa, and Rosa walked me through the project of, the process of how to be able to qualify for the bonding that you guys provided. And well, at the end of everything, I was able to qualify and got the bonding required for $9.7 million worth of work with LAX.
Some of our certifications, and I have to tell you that we have a number of certifications, and it depends on which one you qualify for. On the screen are the ownership-based certifications, meaning that you have to prove to us that as the applicant or the owners of the business, you do have control and ownership of the business. Where to apply? There's two forms of way that you can apply with us. One is the old paper application process. The forms are available in our bureau's website. Some other programs are available specifically online, like the DPE and ACDPE certification. If you have any questions, this is our bureau's email, and you can go to our bureau's website to get a wealth of information.
The Business Jobs and Social Responsibility Division at LAWA was established in 2018, and a big impetus for establishing it was really to ensure that we get the maximum economic impact from our $20 billion capital program. So know your agency, right? So DWP is part of the city, but they do things differently than we do. Public Works, Metro, each of these agencies has different priorities, different certifications that they accept, and different ways of doing business. So help. If you don't take anything away from this workshop, reach out to the people who work at the agencies, folks like myself, who are there to help you navigate, there to advocate for you. We're here to support.